You're a bitch. He's an asshole. There's a big difference.
I asked some choice words
And
about
Eric
you.
is just...
Dick.
No. What's his word?
Douchebag.
Hi, welcome to week 15 of Mama Deb's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how I make my crispy chicken parmesan.
Why is it yours?
Because I make it I just changed the recipe a little bit from the one I read.
Why?
Because it says just to bake the chicken raw with the breading on it, and I don't do that. I browned the chicken. I'll show you. I browned the chicken on each side, like 3 minutes on each side.
Why you call it brown?
Because it turned brown.
So you see color.
Yes. And I browned it in half a stick of butter, like a quarter cup of olive oil, minced garlic, a little salt, and a little pepper, and I browned it. So now it's browned.
I'll taste this.
Oh, you will?
I'll taste this first.
Okay. So right now, I have a piece, I'm going to wash it in an egg wash, right? And in here, I have Italian breadcrumbs, Panko crumbs, about a tablespoon of oregano, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. And I'm just going to coat this. And this is why it gets crispy, because the mixture of the panko crumbs and the breadcrumbs makes it more crispy. Danny loves this dish.
Does he?
Yes.
Do you think they care?
What?
Do you think they care that Danny loves this?
Well, I mean, you want someone to love the dish you're making, right?
We call Danny an asshole all the time.
I know, but he's my little asshole. You're a bitch. He's an asshole. There's a big difference.
I asked some choice words
And
about
Eric
you.
is just...
Dick.
No. What's his word?
Douchebag.
Now, I love my children. We all mess around, but we all love each other.
Yeah. The healthy dynamic here.
Oh, and here's over here. I already made my spaghetti sauce, which I made on my first episode, and I'll share the recipe again. It's my sister-in-law, Jody's spaghetti sauce, and she has turned me into a spaghetti sauce snob because I will not use a jar sauce anymore. I make my homemade spaghetti sauce how many times? I mean, at least once a week, right?
Yeah.
And my sister makes it now too. She doesn't buy a jar sauce anymore either.
And Anna used Aunt Jody's recipe?
Yes, she uses Aunt Jody's recipe. AJ has his recipe too. Remember, we had that.
That is good.
That was good too. He's supposed to be my helper. So we're gonna have to go out to Baltimore and do a trip there and do a week-long cooking escapade. He makes some really good Mexican and Filipino food. And others, but...
I can't show the rest of you.
Oh shit.
It's a mess,
I
right?
did it wrong. You messed me up. What'd you say?
I messed you up?
Yes, it's your fault.
You did three chickens in a row, and I messed you up. I mean,
Well, you know me.
Why wouldn't you have
At least
the
I
egg?
show that I'm
human,
human. Yes, we
Yeah.
make mistakes.
you make a lot of mistakes.
No, I made 3. Got you, didn't I?
I didn't have to be here.
Yeah. Well, aren't you happy you're here? And Mama Debz is your mom and cooks all the time for you?
Yeah, I'm fucking overjoyed. Filled with glee.
Well, you gave me the best gift. You know what that is, right?
Herpes.
Charlotte Ray McLaughlin herpes. And can I have little pieces in here because I'll eat the littler pieces. They'll eat the big piece. We're gonna have this with pasta, obviously. Thin noodles. I like the Barilla thin spaghetti.
The angel.
No, there's a difference. Angel hair is really, really thin. This is just thin spaghetti. Doesn't this look good?
Yeah. Then I can
So
get
these
very
little
loves so I
pieces-
could eat.
I know.
There's Lay's.
These little pieces I'm gonna put in because
My father would have stood for this. He wants his meal. Or he wants his meal.
he didn't. He was not an asshole. Everybody thought he was, but he really wasn't. He was a good husband and a good dad.
Yeah, you get the whole bucket of pancakes.
He would eat whatever I could. My mom was like, "Oh my God, your dad would throw a pancake at me. You guys picked pancakes for dinner one night." And he was out of the races with Uncle Al. He came home and he ate pancakes. He didn't say a word. Not a damn word. Look at all this. Okay? These little pieces are just okay. So, Now, what I'm going to do is bring it over here. And I'm going, my cheese mixture is mozzarella, shredded mozzarella cheese, and then the grated Parmesan. I kind of have that little mixture together. That's what I put on top before, when I bake it. So I'm going to spoon on. This is so good. I love this meal. And Linda Russell, yes, you were right. Chuck Woolery, the love connection. 2 and 2. Billy laughed at your little comments. Oh, Aunt Linda knows what we were talking about, Mom. So these will go in the oven on 350 for about 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
I'm sorry, you got here late. I was ready.
For fuck's sake.
30 minutes. And when we come back, Billy will have his plate ready, and he can tell me what he thinks of this. We'll be right back. Don't forget to, I know I'm still, I do this every time. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hi, welcome back. Sorry. I was trying to put on these and do the beginning. We are going to take this out of the oven, the chicken Parmesan. Look at that. Wow. Wowza. Where's my little mixer thing? Make sure.
Yeah.
I browned it and I baked it, so it should be fine. Yeah. Okay, Eric.
Baby Snorlax.
Yeah, baby Snorlax. I'm gonna put a. Didn't you watch the show?
Did you watch the last episode? I watched the first one. Oh, he's not watching your whole show, Mom.
I had shit to do, alright? Some of us fucking go work from home every day. Lazy people do shit.
Okay, look at the camera. Say hi, everybody. I'm baby Snorlax.
I told you he's a douchebag.
No, he's not.
You called him earlier in the episode.
I know.
Probably.
It's just an endearment. You want more sauce on your pasta?
That should be right. These express heavily in there, huh?
It's
Well,
a big
maybe
bite.
that's the way to do it, yeah.
Yeah, put it in your mouth.
Is it good?
Mm.
Really good?
A little more sauce on there, but the taste is good, yeah.
You need more sauce?
Mhm.
On your noodles?
Yes.
Okay. Well, that's it. I gotta put this down. I gotta put the bake down too. Because now we're gonna do episode 16 with the cake. Don't forget. What are you laughing at? Is he doing something behind me?
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Baby Snorlax is doing some shit behind you.
Whatever. I deserve it, I'm sure. Oh, you mother! Don't do that. Now you gotta clean it up. Thank you for joining us. Chicken Parmesan. I'm gonna post the recipe. And tune in next week for orange chocolate bundt cake.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm waiting for you to do
Fucking
this
so awesome.
clap.